Okay, so we'll get back to 10th question. So what is the 10th question? If tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Let's get back to it. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. How do you define tan theta? Tell me. How do you define tan theta? It is opposite by adjacent side. Correct. So this is 3, right? And this is 4. Opposite side to the adjacent side. And what will be the hypotenuse side from this? By using Pythagoras, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. So root 25 value is 5. Root 25 value is 5. Yeah. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Yeah, we have. And given tan theta is equals to 3 divided by 4. Correct. And this, from this we can observe tan is taking positive sign. So tell me students, in which particular quadrant tan will become positive? Tell me, either in first quadrant or in third quadrant. Correct. So tan is becoming positive. Tan can lies either in first quadrant or in the third quadrant. But tan does not belong to first quadrant as per the question it is given. So obviously then we have only one option. Tan is belonging to quadrant 3. Tan is belonging to quadrant 3. Chalo. So we'll just simplify this. Sin 90 minus theta. Pi is actually 180. 180 by 2 is 90 plus theta is equal to how much? 90 plus theta is equal to how much? This lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant this is positive. So sin becomes cos theta. Correct? Next one. Minus cot pi minus theta, which can be written as minus cot pi is nothing but 180 degree minus theta, which is how much? 180 minus theta is nothing but 180 minus theta is nothing but it lies in the second quadrant. Cot is same like a cot, which is cot theta. Correct? 180 minus theta. Cot is becoming negative. Cot is becoming negative. Right? Negative of negative is positive. Plus cot theta. This is cos, this is cot. Next one, tan 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is nothing but 270. 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta is what? 270 minus theta, it's which is lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant tan is positive, so this is plus. So and it is becoming cot theta. Next one is minus cos 270 plus theta again. So which becomes minus cos 270 plus theta belong to fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant cos is positive, but cos will become to sin. It is becoming sin theta, right? So let's simplify all these values. Whatever we simplified, నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ ఇందులో substitute చేస్తాను. So what is this? First one is cos theta, right? First one is cos theta. Next one is plus cot theta. Cos theta plus cot theta divided by, next one is tan 270, which is cot theta. Next one is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. What is cos theta from the figure? What is cos theta from the figure? Can you please tell me? Yeah, we can observe this, right? What is cos theta from the figure? Which is defined as adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is defined as adjacent by hypotenuse. But theta is lies in the which particular quadrant? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant this becomes negative. So can I take minus 4 by 5 plus cot. Cot is positive in the third quadrant. How do you define cot? Cot is a reciprocal function of tan. If it is 3 by 4, then cot will become 4 by 3. Correct? Whole divided by. This is actually a 4 by 3 again. Minus. What is sin theta? What is sin theta? Tell me. Sin theta is 3 by 5. Opposite by hypotenuse. Right, opposite by hypotenuse. But in the third quadrant, sin is also becoming negative. So this will become minus of minus 3 by 5. Correct? So now please identify the values. Simplify it. I'll just give the time. Make it fast. Very good children. Many of you are saying 8 by 29 is the answer. Let's check whether it is answer or not. So take out LCM, which is 15 is your LCM, minus 12 plus 20. In the numerator we get minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. 5 fourths is 20, whole divided by 4 by 3. As usual 15 is LCM, which is 20. Minus of minus is 3 threes is 9. So cancel of 15 and 15. 12 minus 12 plus 20 is 8. And this becomes 20 plus 9 is 29. This becomes 8 by 29. This becomes 8 by 29. I'm clear with this, guys. Yes? Yes, cleared. Simple, Amma. Simple. It's very simple. I changed to 90 plus theta. I've changed all these values together. So theta lies in the quadrant 3. In the quadrant 3, tan and cot are only positive. Sin cos takes a negative sign. As per that, I substituted the values and I got an answer. Understood? Can we get back to next problem? Yeah. So what is my next problem? Yeah. The value of cos 90 plus theta, secant 270 degree plus theta, sin 180 degree plus theta divided by cosecant of minus theta, cos of 270 degree minus theta, tan 180 plus theta. So this particular question I need to find out. So first I will simplify all these things and let me keep it in this. Okay. So are you guys excited to solve out this problem? Chalo. So first one, cos. What is the first one? 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, correct? So let's be careful about this. 90 plus theta. First మీరు ఏం చూడాలి? ఈ యాంగిల్ ఏ quadrant లో ఉందో చూడాలి. 90 plus theta, which quadrant it is? Second quadrant. Second quadrant లో cos positive or negative? Cos positive or negative? Obviously it is negative. Obviously it is negative. So as it is an odd multiple function, odd multiple of 90, cos changes to sin. So this becomes minus sin theta. This becomes minus sin theta. Please go through with it once. Please go through with it. మళ్ళీ ఒక్కసారి చెప్తున్నాను. 90 ప్లస్ theta ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉంది? సెకండ్. సెకండ్లో కాస్ ఏమవుతుంది? నెగటివ్. సో నెగటివ్ సైన్. అండ్ తర్వాత ఏం చెక్ చేయాలి? సెకండ్ పాయింట్, odd multiple of 90 or even multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90 అయితే function will change. Right? So let's get back to the next one, which is secant 270 degree plus secant 270 degree plus theta. Secant 270 degree plus theta. So let's get back. First you need to check 270 plus theta lies in the which particular quadrant? 270 plus theta lies in which particular quadrant? Tell me. 270 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant will take positive values. So this is positive. As it is odd multiple of 90, secant will changes to sin cos, tan cot, secant, cosecant. So this is changes to cosecant theta. Am I clear? Right. Next, sin 180 degree plus theta. So what is the next one? Sin 180 degree plus theta. Yeah. So 180 degree plus theta, 180 plus theta is third quadrant. Sin is becoming negative. So as it is an even multiple function does not change. It is as usual minus sin theta. Okay. Next. Next one is cosecant of minus theta. Cosecant minus theta, can I write like 0 minus theta? Of course, right? 0 minus theta anna minus theta ne. Minus theta anna minus theta ne. So can I write 0 minus theta? Yeah. 0 minus theta, what does it actually mean? The angles which are smaller than 0 degree. The angles which are smaller than 0 degree. Correct. So yeah. So if it is smaller than 0 degree, we'll get back. Which particular quadrant it is lies? 0 is smaller. The angles are smaller than 0 degree, which means it is lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cosecant is negative. So this will become minus cosecant theta. Minus cosecant theta. Next one is cos 270 degree minus theta. 270 degree minus theta. So how you can express this? Tell me. How you can express this? 270 degree minus theta. This particular thing lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative. Correct? 270 is an odd multiple, so it will changes to sine. Next, tan 180 degree. 180 degree plus theta. 180 plus theta lies in the third. In the third, tan is positive, and this is as usual tan theta because it's even multiple. So let's substitute all the values together. Let's substitute here. Cos 90 plus theta, here we got minus sine theta into cosecant theta into minus sine theta divided by, next one, cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Correct? Next, cos 270 minus theta, I got minus sine theta. Next, and this is we got tan theta. Correct? Yeah. Let's simplify it out. Let's simplify. Minus sine theta cancel. Cosecant theta cancel. Next, minus minus gets cancelled. So you are left over with sine theta divided by tan theta can be expressed as sine theta by cos theta. Correct? So this I can write in the form of just reciprocal the function, which will become cos theta by sine theta. Cancel sine theta. You left over with cos theta, which is option B. Just go through with it once. Yeah. So let's get back to next question. So what is the next question? The value of sine 1 degree, sine 2 degree, sine 3 degree, so on up to sine 20 degree. So on up to sine 20 degree, and moreover this is under multiplication. Right? 1 degree into 2 degree sine 3 degree into so on up to sine 20 degree. So what could be the value of this and how this problem can be solved? Anybody having a guesses? Tell me. You can tell me if anybody can solve this problem. Let's check out. Excellent Rahul, excellent. What is answered? 0. Very good. Obviously it is correct. But could you please tell me the process of it? Could you please tell me that? Don't worry guys, don't worry. So actually the problem is very easy. It's very easy. So how I can write sine 1 degree into sine 2 degree into so on up to. You just tell me one thing. In between this, you will also have sine 180 degree, right? You will also have sine 180 degree and so on up to sine 20. Sine 20. Correct? ఉంటుంది కదా 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree ఉన్నప్పుడు in between that you also exist sine 180 degree, right? Obviously. And you know the value of sine 180 degree. What is the value of sine 180 degree? It's 0. Sine 180, what is the value of sine 180? It's 0. So multiplying with 0 with all these terms like sine 180 degree, sine 1 degree into sine 2 degree, so on up to sine 20 degree, right? Sine 20 degree. So 0 into anything is 0. So what is the option? It's B. What is the option? It's B. So I hope you guys are clear with the questions up to this, right? We have solved 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 questions. Meanwhile, I request you to go through with the other problems of the worksheet and try on your own, right? So today I have explained you about 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12 questions. Tomorrow we'll be sorting out with some other questions of your worksheet. Meanwhile, I ask you to solve by your own. If can solve by your own, that's fine. Otherwise, we'll discuss in the tomorrow session. Thank you all.